TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. Quite a market out there in the red across the board, but far off the lows we had early this morning. You're looking at an S&P negative by about 20 points right now, trading at 38.53. We're a solid 50 points almost from the lows we made just after the opening bell this morning. Chairman Powell putting a little bit of firepower behind that market this morning. We'll jump right to the headline. Why not? Chairman Powell signals Fed to keep buying bonds even as outlook improves. One quote in particular: the economy is a long way from our employment. The economy is a long way from our employment and inflation goals, and is likely to take some time for substantial further progress to be achieved. The Fed's currently buying $120 billion in assets per month, $80 billion in treasuries, $40 billion in mortgage-backed debt, and has pledged to keep up the pace until substantial further progress has been made toward the goals of maximum employment and 2% inflation. That hits the tape at about 10 a.m. this morning. The S&P's looking pretty dicey at that price point. At that time point, we trade from 38.04. We make an intraday high of about 38.64. You then trade down to 38.30. We're back up approaching the midday highs right now, 38.56. NASDAQ 100, talk about an acceleration. You go from 12,757. You trade up 350 plus points to 13,119. You're down about 1.3% right now in the NASDAQ 100. Tech stocks still taking a little bit of a hit. The Dow's off 68 points, 31,399. You got the Russell right now down 1.7%, negative 37 points, trading at 22.12. Jumping to commodities, crude is flat at 61.68. You got the gold contract down $5 at 18.03, and notes and bonds. Right now we got the 10-year up 3 ticks at 135.13. You got the 30-year right now down 5 ticks at 162.07. We'll jump over to the volatility index. Things looked a little bit dicey this morning, reaching a 27 handle in the VIX. We've backed off from there, 23.79. What else we got going on in the market? How about Home Depot today? Down 3.4%. Strong numbers in a big way. How about growing revenue? 25% for Home Depot. Still no guidance for fiscal year 2021. The market penalizing Home Depot for no guidance, down about 3.4% today. Should be an interesting 2 hours left to go in the market, folks. Dave White coming up live at 2. Tom O'Brien live at 3. Be right back.